Hey everybody. Hey. I hope y'all are doing okay. I'm doing okay. Welcome to Whipping It Up with Cherie. You see it. You see it sitting here in the middle of the screen. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook Tennessee Pride mild country sausage, okay? I know that you may think you know how to do it, and some of y'all may know how to do it, but believe it or not, I got a few emails from some people, and this was requested. So I figured that I would go ahead and show you how to do it. So we're going to prepare this just like the instructions say, and I'm going to show y'all how I normally do it, okay? So let's get started. So you want to take a roll of Tennessee Pride sausage, my home state. Woo woo! So of course this was a Tennessean who sent me this email, okay? So we got to represent for the home team. Yes. So per the instructions, a lot of people miss it. Um, you gotta read the little information on the back here. It's really little, but it says to pan fry directions if frozen, thaw before slicing. Slice sausage roll into patties at indicated marks. Preheat skillet to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook patties 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Now, a lot of people miss this, but my daddy showed me this when I was a little kid. So I want to show y'all something. Do y'all see these little indication marks right there? What that is, that's to show you how thick you should cut the sausage rolls. Okay, so we're gonna get this cut open. I'm actually cutting these patties. I'm gonna use it for a video that I'm gonna do later, for ready-made breakfast sandwiches. So I'm gonna get these cut open, and we're gonna do exactly what the package says. We're gonna cut them right at the the marks. And you can cut these frozen if you want to. However, I like to keep my package on. You can take it off if you're good like that, but it just helps make sure the patties are even. And if you get thrown off, like if you cut past the mark or something, that's cool. That's quite all right. Like this is my, all right. So we're just gonna put those back together. And mine made 9 patties. I think that's what we got here. 9 patties. And which is cool because that's more than the biscuits that I got. So now, I'm going to put these to the side. I'm going to move our electric skillet into the picture. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on so it can be preheating. And I'm going to go over here and rinse my hands off from where I dealt with that sausage. Now, another thing I want to tell you, whenever you're dealing with sausage or raw meat, you definitely want to wash your hands thoroughly because you don't want to be dealing with any transfer of bacteria, salmonella, any kind of, things that's going to hurt you or your family. So I'm going to wash my hands. All right, y'all, so remember, you want to have your skillet or the stove eye on at least 350. And I'm just putting a little bit of olive oil in my pan. I know the sausage is going to make its own grease, but in the beginning, I like to put just a little bit of olive oil. And I'm going in, and so I don't have to touch them no more. I'm going in with my spatula. And I got that email from the gentleman asking me to show how to cook the sausage. And this is why I say, y'all, this is why I never get too comfortable or easy to say, oh, that person don't know how to do that. You never know, because there's so much stuff that I don't know how to do, so when people reach out and ask to, show, I never get upset. I never get mad, because I love being asked questions. And if I don't know something, I'm definitely going to look for the answer. That's what we're supposed to do, help each other instead of talking about people and assuming that a person knows this or knows that, because it doesn't always work how we think it should work. I'm sure Food Network, you get so many emails from millions and millions of people asking how to do this and how to do that. So y'all, I am excited to get emails. So again, this is going to cook 4 to 5 minutes on each side. And then I like mine to get brown. And then I flip it over. And then we're going to finish cooking it. And then that's it. You do whatever you want to do with the sausage. You can ground it up if you want to. I know I ground it up a lot and use it. So, but yeah, I'm doing patties and ready-made breakfast sandwiches. So I'll bring y'all back when it's time to flip them. All right, y'all, it's been about 6 minutes. I am about to flip our sausages. Yes, that's how I like it. I like it to have that crunch. So like I said, I'm doing a video for ready-made breakfast sandwiches, breakfast biscuits. So please go back and look at the videos for me making the breakfast biscuits. That is going to make your life so much easy. I promise you on that. I love them. I do them often. And yeah, they are easy to make. So I'll bring y'all back when these sausages are done, okay? Alright, y'all. So I wanted to show y'all what I like to do. When all of that oil starts to form up in the skillet, I like to do something simple. I learned this from an older lady some years ago. Like you see all of this grease that has come from the sausage and the olive oil. If you take you a paper towel, because as you see, sometimes the sausage won't get done because it'll get done, but it won't get that crisp, that darkness that we're looking for. You got to get some of that oil out of there so it can sear. Alright, so if you just take a paper towel and get some of that oil out of there, that'll help your sausage patty, or meat, period, to sear and get that crunch that we're looking for. Alright, just move it around. And that way, we're not eating all of that oil. That is a trick that I learned years ago. Look at all of that. So now, our patties will brown like we want them to. So I'll bring y'all back. I'm going to put my lid back on. Because even I had a lid on and it still wasn't browning all the way. So yeah, we don't want that. Okay, so our sausage should be ready. And they should be brown all the way on the up. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. See, we wasn't getting that, like how they looking seared. We wasn't getting that because all of that grease was in the bottom of the skillet at first. So, basically what all the sausage was doing and all of that grease and moisture was steaming. That's basically all it was doing. And so I want mine to be cooked like how you sear a steak. That's how I like my sausage. Okay? So I just wanted to show y'all how to cook Tennessee Pride sausage, my home steak. And I hope y'all try this method with the paper towel. And to my subscriber, John, I really, really, really appreciate the email. Thank you for being engaged. Thank you for always asking questions and participating and showing love on the channel. I really appreciate it. So all I did was lined a bowl with some paper towel. Because again, the goal is to get as much oil out of these sausage as possible. That way your breakfast, your sandwich, whatever you use in your casserole is not full of grease. So I hope y'all like and subscribe to this video. And I hope you leave me a comment or send me an email. Y'all feed your family some good food. And until the next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.